Okay, this is my Pecha Kucha presentation. So we are making an infographic. An infographic is a visual image such as a chart or a diagram used to represent information or data like in these two pictures here. You will be making this infographic individually. It is an individual project. We will be collecting data and creating our infographics through the projects on Zooniverse. Zooniverse has several projects about animals throughout the world, like penguins or beluga whales or chimpanzees. So read around these projects and find one that you are most passionate about. Pick a project. That's the next step. Pick the one you like the most after reading around. So make sure you find the right data for your project. Read about the project thoroughly and find the best data for your infographic. We will be using PictoChart. PictoChart is a free way to make infographics. That is my example on the left. I'll show you guys later in class if that is too hard to read, but that's what the infographic should look like. So find two partners in the class to help each other with your infographics. It can be anyone in the class. You guys get to pick. So make sure you guys give each other feedback, so help your two partners make the best infographic possible. Each of you will be given Chromebooks to complete this project. Make a PowerPoint presentation with your two partners. And so your presentation will be graded on 5 things. It will be graded on time. Does your presentation meet the required time of 5 minutes? Participation. Does everyone in the group speak? Does everyone in the group have a speaking role in the presentation? Knowledge. Is your knowledge shown of the infographic through your pictures, through the way what you're talking about, any type of thing like that? Images. Is your full infographic shown in the presentation? Are there other images of the topic in your presentation? So if you're doing one on chimpanzees, is there pictures of the chimpanzees shown in your infographic and in your slideshow? Data and statistics. Did your presentation show and state all of the key data and statistics of the project? This presentation will be out of 100 points, so each of those 5 things I just mentioned right before this, they're all worth 20 points each. So make sure you are spending time in class wisely because this whole project will be completed in class. All right, get working. Thank you.